Hello. The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened in your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuida a los niños.
Pues creo que esta también tiene luces, compa. ¿Qué ansiedad tengo?
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track.
Madre, todo lo que sube tiene que bajar.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to All-Star. SIM car performance data acquired.
Parece que va manejando por dentro. Tampoco traje repuesto.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Es que no traigo lentes. ¿Ves? Te dije que las llantas funcionarían.
Scanning SIM car for optimal eco efficiency.
Acá viene el chido.
6 años en llantas.
Engaging eco scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total environmental impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
Ay, eso pienso como cuando éramos novios.
Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.